There are some pretty amazing places on Earth, but did you know that there are also some pretty unbelievable places that actually exist? From a hidden city in Africa to a floating island in the sky, these 18 places will definitely make you believe that anything is possible. 18 unbelievable places that actually exist. Before you continue, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos.
Number 18. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. The Plitvice Lakes National Park is a stunning place located in Croatia. The beautiful lake spans over 1,600 square kilometers. The park is made up of 7 lakes and are connected by a series of beautiful cascades and waterways. There are many walking trails that take visitors through the park. Some of the trails lead to overlooks where visitors can see the lakes and the incredible waterfalls that flow into them. This national park is also home to many animals and birds including deer, primates, bears, ibises, pelicans, and toucans. This beauty is worth visiting. I'm sure you'll love it.
Number 17. The Salt Flats of Torrevieja, Spain. The salt pans of Torrevieja, Spain, are a unique geological formation that is made up of multicolored flat layers of pure salts. The vast area that spans over 2 square kilometers. The salt flats are pink, white, and yellow. These layers of salt have been built up by the wind and the rain. It is an area of great historical value and has been for centuries. The flatlands have been used for salt production since Roman times. It is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Torrevieja. This unique and amazing tourist destination is worth your visit. Number 16. Ice Cave, Iceland.
The Ice Cave is a natural ice cave in the Vatnajökull Glacier in Iceland. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Iceland, and is visited by around 100,000 people each year. The cave is filled with brightly colored ice stalagmites and stalactites. It has an extensive system that consists of multiple levels and tunnels that run beneath the surface. The cave itself is quite large, stretching over 2 kilometers underground.
Number 15. The Grand Canyon, Arizona. The Grand Canyon is a natural wonder and one of the most famous tourist destinations in North America. It is a massive canyon that measures almost 18 miles wide at its widest point, 277 feet deep, and 544 feet high at its highest point above sea level. The rocks that make up the canyon are very old and date back to the Precambrian era. The cliffs and colors of the canyon are amazing and can be seen from many miles away. Number 14. Dalal Volcano, Ethiopia. Dalal Volcano, located in the Afar region of Ethiopia, is a very famous natural attraction because of its unusual appearance and the several eruptions that have taken place over the years. It is a stratovolcano, meaning it has a central peak and several subsidiary peaks that have been formed by eruptions from the summit. It has been erupting continuously for more than 2,000 years and it makes up part of the East African Rift System. Dalal Volcano is located about 45 kilometers northwest from Addis Ababa and at an altitude of 3,850 meters above sea level. Number 13. Tunnel of Love, Ukraine.
The Tunnel of Love is a mysterious attraction located in the town of Yalta, Ukraine. The attraction consists of a long, narrow tunnel under the Black Sea that is illuminated at night. The history of the Tunnel of Love is shrouded in mystery. It is not clear when or how the Tunnel of Love was built. But, it is known that the attraction first opened to the public in 1978. The Tunnel of Love is a popular tourist destination for couples. The attraction is especially popular among foreigners and couples who are in love. Thousands of tourists visit the Tunnel of Love every day. Many Ukrainians view the Tunnel of Love as a symbol of love.
Number 12. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the world's largest salt desert. The area covers an astonishing 33,500 square kilometers and has a total volume of about 2 million cubic meters. The Salar is one of the largest salt lakes in the world and is also the world's 7th largest salt pan. The Salar is also remarkable for the unbroken expanse of wild, rolling llanos, grasslands that stretch for more than 1,750 miles. This remote location holds a wealth of natural wonders that are worth exploring. It is an immense, arid plain in Bolivia, and when you see it, you can understand why it is nicknamed the Salar of the Gods.
Number 11. Grand Prismatic Spring, Wyoming, USA. The Grand Prismatic Spring is a geyser in the Upper Geyser Basin of Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, USA. The spring consists of a series of geysers that shoot water up to 63 meters into the air. The water in the spring is a deep blue and is said to be the colors of a clear sky on a hot day. The water in the spring is very cold, and is so clear that one can see the bottom. The water in the spring is fed by the nearby Colorado River, and is the only body of water in the area that is cold and clear.
Number 10. Tianzi Mountains, China.
The Tianzi Mountains, also known as the Great Wall of China or Chang'an Capital Mountain, are a geological feature in Beijing Municipality, eastern Beijing, and Hebei Province. The mountains run north-south for about 120 kilometers across the municipalities and have an elevation stretching from 302 to 3,488 meters above sea level. The range has beautiful scenery, including lakes, rivers, forests and peaks. The mountains have a long history and play an important role in Chinese culture. The Tianzi Mountains are also home to some of the most impressive ancient ruins in China. Number 9. Bamboo Forest, Japan.
The bamboo forest, Japan is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The area occupies an expanse of 420 hectares and has over 2,000 species of bamboo that grow wild. This iconic natural attraction attracts thousands of tourists every day. The bamboo forest is managed in a way that the forest is preserved in its entirety. Not only does this prevent the loss of the forest's biodiversity, but it also ensures that the forest remains a viable tourist attraction for generations to come. It is worthy to note some striking qualities of the forest. The sound of the wind, the birds, and the river can be heard, but all other noise is largely silenced. So also, the green bamboo climbed up the trees in every direction, creating a leafy canopy that shaded the ground beneath. This is truly amazing. Number 8. Victoria Falls, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls is a waterfall located in Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is the world's largest waterfall by volume and the widest waterfall by far. The falls are situated in the Zambezi River and the flow of the river is controlled by the falls. The falls plunge 240 meters, 790 feet, down into the Zambezi River. Standing at the edge of fall and looking down into the swirling rapids below, your heart will be filled with amazement and admiration for this natural wonder. Victoria Falls was once used as a stopover by traders traveling between East and West Africa before steamboats took over that role. Today Victoria Falls is still an important trade route, but tourism has become its main source of revenue. It is one of the most beautiful places in Africa. Number 7. The Dark Hedges, Northern Ireland. The Dark Hedges in Northern Ireland are one of the most photographed spots in the world. Originally planted by the Normans in the 12th century, the hedges are a series of ancient beech and oak trees that straddle the border between Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. These majestic trees have been known to intimidate soldiers, travelers, and others who passed through their branches for centuries. The hedges were first mentioned in writing in 1184 AD when they were described as being dark, due to the dense growth of ivy vines around them. Today, visitors can still see evidence of warfare throughout these long hedgerows. Bullet holes from past conflicts litter both sides like dark stars on a midnight sky. The intricate design and lush green foliage of the hedges are a sight to see, no matter how often you visit. Number 6. The Crooked Forest, Poland. The Crooked Forest is a unique forest located in the town of Zywiec, Poland. This forest is different from all the other forests as it is actually a series of straight paths that wind around each other. The reason why the forest is called the Crooked Forest is because of the twisting paths that go through it. It's a point of attraction to tourists from all over the world because of its unusual geological features and vast array of species. The Crooked Forest was formed about 230 million years ago when an area of limestone cliffs collapsed, creating deep gorges and twisting corridors. Many different plants and animals have found refuge here due to the abundance of trees with strange shapes or twisted trunks. The Crooked Forest in Poland is a beautiful place to visit. Number 5. Mendenhall Ice Caves, Juneau, Alaska. Mendenhall Ice Caves are a natural wonder that can be found in Juneau, Alaska. The Mendenhall Ice Caves consist of two caves, the Mendenhall Grotto and the Mammoth Cave. These caves were formed over millions of years by glaciers that moved through this area. The caves are very colorful and have numerous formations, some of which are very intricate. The cave walls are covered with interesting graffiti. The cave temperature is about the same as the outside temperature, so it is very comfortable to walk inside. You will be surprised by the clarity of the water inside the cave. Even if it was very dark, you could see the outline of all the formations. The views from the top of the caves are simply stunning. The glaciers and snow-capped peaks are incredibly beautiful. The sunsets and sunrises are simply breathtaking. Mendenhall Ice Caves are a beautiful discovery and an important site in both American and world history. Visiting these ice caves are an incredible experience that is not to be missed. Number 4. Wisteria Flower Tunnel, Kawachi, Fuji. The Wisteria Flower Tunnel is a popular sightseeing spot in Ueno Park in Tokyo. The tunnel was built by Sumitomo Corporation for their employees during the 1940s. The spiral path inside the 1-kilometer-long tunnel takes visitors past more than 2,000 hanging wisteria flowers, which are said to bloom every day since 1955 without fail. The Kawachi Fuji Wisteria Flower Tunnel has a unique feature. It is comprised of a tree tunnel and the flowers are associated with graceful, lily-like blooms. The branches of the tree grow directly over the tunnel, so it is possible to walk through the entire tunnel without ever having to step on the ground. The Kawachi Fuji Wisteria Flower Tunnel is a special place that is worth visiting if you are a fan of wisteria flowers.
Number 3. The Black Forest, Germany.
The Black Forest is a large forested area located in southwestern Germany. The forests are some of the most pristine and untouched natural habitats remaining in Europe, containing many rare species of plants and animals. The Black Forest region has been inhabited by humans for centuries, as it was an important crossroads between Central Europe, Bohemia, now Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland and France. The region has a long and rich history, dating back to the early Middle Ages. It is a famous tourist spot in Germany that is well known for its dark and stark forestry. The area is also famous for its observation tower and for its many miles of hiking trails. Number 2. Kelimutu Lake, Tricolor Lakes, Indonesia. Kelimutu Lake is a remarkable place that attracts tourists from all over the world. It is an amazing sight with 3 different colors of water, blue, green and yellow. The lakes are located in the middle of Java Island, Indonesia and were formed about 10,000 years ago as part of a volcanic eruption. The 3 lakes in Kelimutu are very different from each other, red, blue and green. The name, Kelimutu, comes from an Indonesian word which means 3 colors. Kelimutu Lake is a stunning place and it is definitely worth a visit. The scenery is beautiful and the lakes are different colors which makes for a great photo opportunity. The tour is a great way to learn about the history and culture of the people who live around the lakes. Number 1. Tulip Fields, the Netherlands. The tulip fields of the Netherlands are a place that is steeped in history and legend. These beautiful fields have been a source of fascination for tourists and locals alike for centuries, as they are home to some of the world's most famous flowers. The tulips are planted in a careful pattern and the rows of colorful flowers create a stunning spectacle. The Dutch word, tulpen, means flowers, and these gardens were specifically planted to grow lysses bulbs. The area has been known since ancient times for its vast production of this type of bulb, which became extremely popular among European nobles during the 16th century. The tulip fields in the Netherlands are a tourist attraction that brings in a lot of revenue. They are also an iconic part of Dutch culture. The Dutch are known for cultivating and exporting tulip bulbs to other countries. The tulip fields are also a popular destination for photographers. The vibrant colors and patterns make for beautiful photos, and the fields are a favorite subject for painters as well. If you're ever in the Netherlands, be sure to check out the tulip fields. They are truly a sight to behold. Did you enjoy this video? Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos.